Look at this food. She's already started eating. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is day 2 of the Sikkim vlog, and we are currently at Baker's Cafe in MG Mart, and we have ordered a plethora of food, a lot of food, but we have to finish it in a hurry and go back. This is a beautiful place over here. Let me show you. Look at this food. She's already started eating. Some donuts and some coffee. Amazing coffee. 2 more food items have come. Chocolate muffin. We are going to go get a taxi now, so that we can go to another taxi. Point from where we'll be going to Lachen. Here, everyone is ready.
ये 1 में रोड है यहाँ से
तो हम वहाँ से ले लेते हैं बस।
कितना मिलेगा गाड़ी रोकेगा नहीं वहाँ?
ठीक है। वजह स्टैंड कितना लेंगे?
100
हाँ We've currently stopped at this viewpoint. There are so many people because the viewpoint looks like this. So we've stopped once more to have lunch this time in this beautiful village called Rangan. Let me just show you around. Look at the view. Just look at this. Lots of cars going over here. That's our car, by the way. This one. But look at this. There's some children playing over there. I don't think you can see them. There they are. But it's such a beautiful place. We're walking down this trail. We will be having lunch, but this looks like the washroom. There's another much experienced fellow vlogger. तुम्हारा चैनल नाम क्या बोला था?
Travel nature retreat.
Travel Nature Retreat. You heard it? Follow him. This is all our food. Aloo dum with gobi, bandha gobi. This is the baby of the group.
Shut up. Shut up.
More food to come. Anda.
लौका चाहिए तो
The fries. Look at this place. Such a cute little place. Well, we just finished having our lunch and just want to show you this view from here. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the view. It's an amazing place. But right now everyone is in a hurry. We just stopped in the middle of the road because we just came across this amazing, beautiful waterfall. It's small, but it's really pretty. Take a look. So now we have stopped at this waterfall. It's called Naga Falls and it looks absolutely incredible. It's just behind me, you can see. And there's wind blowing. And the water goes down. Milky white water. Looks absolutely breathtaking. Look at this place. Look at this place. Don't you want to be here? Look at the size of this rock. It's huge. We've now stopped at this beautiful place. It's called Chungthang. It's the last stoppage, I think, before we reach Lachen, our final destination. And just look at the view from here. As you can see behind me, this big ass hill, this big hill behind me. What you can't see is this. Look at this majestic view of the mountains. The white peaks of the Himalayas. The white peaks of the Himalayas. Such amazing, such beautiful place. Oh my goodness. Beautiful white peaks. Green, brown and white. And below, down here, we've got this beautiful, the Tista river still flowing through here. And there's a dam as well. This is literally a no liquor place, so you won't find any liquor anywhere. We had to throw away our plastic bottles before we entered this place so that it remains this pristine, this beautiful. It looks amazing, I must tell you. You have to be here. You should come here. You should come to Sikkim. North Sikkim, East Sikkim, West Sikkim, South Sikkim, all the parts of Sikkim. Look at this. So beautiful. Just behind these hills, you can see these mountains. Look at them. Looks so pretty. So pretty. More snow-covered peaks over there. Just behind this power line. We finally reached, after a long journey, our hotel in Lachen. This is the inn. It's called the Iceberg Inn, and this is our room. That's Pupu, my niece. This is her mother unpacking. This is my bed. That's theirs. The Iceberg Inn. There are some clothes hangers, and this is the door which goes to the veranda, the balcony. It's literally pitch dark outside. Can't see anything through the camera. And over here we have a bathroom. Pretty quaint bathroom. Indian style. Nothing fancy. This water heater is also present. Hope it works. Otherwise it's gonna be a lot of problems. Hey, there's no shower as well. Okay. That's enough of the bathroom. Nothing is there almost. But everything is there. Quite a cozy place. What did you say? Won't you say the same? Miss Madhuri Chutias. Miss Pew Pew. Miss Pew Pew. Pew Pew. Pew Pew. Even my single bed looks more like a coffin, but it's fine. There we go. This is a common balcony. Same direction. Nothing much again. And now we are gonna go have dinner. Let's go. We are done with our dinner now. It was a hearty meal. It wasn't too bad. Now I'm going back down. It's very cold, oh my god. That's it for today. This is the end of day 2. Day 2, I think. That's the end of day 2. We are going to change our clothes and we're going to go to sleep. Nothing more to see. Hope you like this one. Be sure to be back for the next one, because tomorrow we are going to a lot of places. One of them being Gurudamma Lake, which we did not cover today, and then we'll be going to Yumthang Valley and a few other places, and then finally to Lachung tomorrow. So hope to see you there. Bye.